Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove the spatula silicone scraper, the spatula tip, or for your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. In order to clean your spatula, you should remove the tip to clean it better, and also you should remove it in order to replace it in case it is damaged. To do it, hold it like that and start pulling it. Like that. It will require a bit of force, but that is the only way to do it, to be honest. And once you pull it off, you can easily take it off and clean it separately. Later on, to put it on, fit the top part of this attachment up, then you can put it in like that. And now it's in. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.